Good morning, grade 2 students. How are you all doing today? All are good? Feeling good in the morning? Yes, tummies are full with breakfast. Mind is fresh and healthy. Yes, eyes are open. No feeling like sleepy, tired. Yes, all are very fresh. Very good. Now, before starting the lesson, I want to play a small game with you. Are you all ready to play a game? Yes? Good. Okay. Now, what is my game? Now, listen to my instructions, right? Now, you have to very quickly, you have to tell me any word that have a A letter in it, that have the A sound in it. Okay? A for apple, A sound. A word that has a sound or a letter. Do you understand? Now, since it's a game, so we have to be very quick. It's going to be in a round, in a circle. Turn by turn, we are going to tell a word, but very quickly. Okay? So when I say start, then you are going to start the game. One, one, two, three, start. Come on, Amir. Start. A cat, very good. Then a rat, very good. Next, class, very good. Next, table, very good. Next, mat, very good. Next, hat, very good. Wow, good job. Stop the game now. That's very good. You all are so good in playing games. I'm so happy for you. Now, let's come to the topic. Now that was all the words with letter A. Now what today we are going to learn, we are going to do some words, some unusual words that have unusual O sound, that have a O sound in it. Okay? Now, can you read the words with me which I have written on the board? Grab. Which word is this? Grab. Okay. Read this. Shop. Shop. Next, skip, skip, drop, drop, mother, mother. Now see it is O sound, mother, me. Again, O sound, me. So, now can you just tell me which is an unusual O sound? Like drop is a O sound, right? So, which is the unusual O sound? You can say mother, very good. Is shop unusual? No. Is brother? Yes. Sorry, money unusual? Yes. So mother and money. They have something which is unusual, right? Because the word, they have M-O-T-H-E-R. Mother. But the sound is M. It is not O, like in drop, right? Do you understand? Okay. Now, can you see my flower of words? Now, this flower has all the words that have unusual O sound. It has unusual O sound. Okay, now can you read this with me? Money. It is money. Then above, above, right? Honey, honey. Mother. This is almost, almost. Love, love. Ocean, ocean. Brother, brother. Now, you have read all these words, right? Now find out the words that rhymes with one another. Are all these rhyming words? No. There are some words that rhymes with one another. Can you find them out, please? Yes. Money rhymes with honey. Money rhymes with honey. Then, correct. Brother rhymes with mother. Brother rhymes with mother. And is there any other word over here that rhymes? No. Can you find out any one word that rhymes with love? Can you tell me? Glove. Love rhymes with glove, the gloves that you wear in your hands when it is very, very cold. So some of the words, they have rhyming words here, but some they don't. Now what we are going to do? Now I am going to tell you how to use these two rhyming words in one sentence, right? Okay, now let's go. I'm going to write the sentence and explain you on my whiteboard over here so that it's clear to you all. Now, what is the first word? Mother and brother. Okay. Now, what sentence you can make with this word? My brother is taller than my mother. See, both the words are used. I have used both these rhyming words in one sentence. So this is how you are going to work out. You have to use both the words, both the rhyming words in one sentence. Understood? Now, next word, money. Money rhymes with honey. Okay. I will buy some honey with this money. Right? I will buy some honey with this money. So again, two rhyming words in one sentence, right? Two rhyming words in one sentence. Now, the word is love and glove. How will I make? I love to wear these gloves. See, again, the same two rhyming words I have used in one sentence. You have to think about a sentence so that you can use both the rhyming words in one sentence. Okay? But while you are writing a sentence, what is there that you will keep in your mind? Yes? Yeah, correct. You have to keep the punctuation. You have to take care of your punctuation. You have to start a sentence with what? With capital letter and end it with a full stop. Very, very good, class. So you have understood how we have made these sentences using these two rhyming words in one sentence, right? Now, when you look in your book on page number 40, you will find there is one exercise, that is A part, in which you have to write a word that rhymes with a given word. Use the picture to help. It's very easy. You can easily look at the picture and then you can write down the words. Now, since it is an easy task, you will not take more than 3 minutes. So I'm going to give you 3 minutes and your time starts now. Time is up. Time is up, class. Okay, let's check what you have done. The first one, love rhymes with glove. Correct. Number two, brother rhymes with mother. Correct. Honey rhymes with money. Correct. Done rhymes with won. Right. Done rhymes with won. W-O-N. Now, this part is done. Now, choose a pair of rhyming words from activity A and write them in a sentence. Now, the sentences we have already done. I have already explained you most of the words and most of the sentences. But the sentences which I have not made is with the fourth one. That is done rhymes with one. So, I want you to quickly think about a sentence and tell me that how are you going to write a sentence using these two words, that is done and won. Come on, think about it. Think it, think it. Yes, Saad? Very good. I have done my race and I have won the cup. Very good. Like you can see in the picture, there is a picture of a cup over here. So you can make that sentence that I have done my race and I have won the cup. Both the words you have used in one sentence. You have used both the words in one sentence. So this is what we were supposed to do today, and that was the unusual O sound word. Now you can see that you can see in the book as it is mentioned that listen carefully to the sound the O makes in the word mother. The mother rat snake lays her egg, right? So these are unusual sound O sound words. Now if you again look at my flower, now what is the word that have the unusual O sound? Money, right? Money has unusual O sound. Above. Does above have unusual sound? No. Then comes honey. Honey. No. Yes. Honey also have unusual sound. Mother. Yes. Unusual sound. Almost. Is it unusual? No. It is mo sound. The O sound. Love. Yes. Unusual. Ocean. Is it unusual? No, it's not. Brother. Is it unusual? Yes, it's unusual. So you see, O also has this type of unusual sounds when you write it in a word. When you use that O in a word, it makes some unusual sound. Like here on the board, you have seen shop is sh O sound. But in mother, it is not O sound. It is unusual sound. Same goes for brother. It is unusual sound. Whereas in another word that is drop, drop, it is awesome. It is not unusual sound. Whereas in the last word is money. Is it unusual? Money. Yes, it's unusual sound. So this is what we have learned. I hope you have understood this and you will be able to do the task, that is homework, which I'll be posting on your portal. Do it yourself, children. If you have not understood or if you are unable to do the task, leave it. And you can ask me in the next class. I'll explain. Do you understand? Okay. So I hope you have enjoyed the class. Yes. See you next time, children. Bye. Have a nice weekend.